All I do is to jump on the back and dump it on top.
Oh,
that's how I go.
I just thought I was gonna throw it at the car until it like blew up in front, like, you know, it was like that's like over-dramatization because it doesn't go that fast. There's no windshield.
What is kind of good?
I think he's studying the car.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah.
Once you can get full throttle, it's a lot better.
Shifting, like downshifting, is a lot easier than upshifting.
Yeah.
Upshifting is
I kept pushing it forward and be like, am I upshifting anymore?
When I was driving there, I was like, wait, am I in third or in fourth? And I kept trying to go into fourth, and like nothing was really happening, and then all of a sudden it just worked.
Yeah.
And like I was going faster.
You felt all of a sudden you're like, oh, acceleration.
Yeah.
Why are people so dumb?
So we gotta like.
I'm just gonna put a
make a line so they can come over.
Shit, that would have done really well in competition. Kind of running. That's too running.
Oh no.
Oh no!
I got